Hey friends, hey, what are you doing next Saturday? Listen, if you're in the Columbia, South Carolina area, I want to invite you to my next workshop. It's an in-person workshop and it's called Rooted and Restored. During this session, we're going to be talking about how to calm yourself from stress, how to reduce the stress in your life, how to recover your peace, how to recover your energy, and how to recover your strength. If you're in the area, check out this link that I'm posting below. Hey geese, and register. I hope to see you there. If you're not in the area, I still have something for you. If you want to find out what it is that is exhausting you, what it is that's draining you, what it is that's stressing you out, I've got a quiz just for you. Check out my Why Am I So Exhausted self-assessment. It'll give you some guidance, it'll give you some tips, and hopefully it'll help you regain your energy. If you've got any questions whatsoever, just put them in the chat below.